How to cancel direct pay OneMain Financial. OneMain Financial is a U.S. company that provides personal loans, both secured and unsecured, mainly to people with less than perfect credit. It operates through over 1,300 branches and online. First, download OneMain Financial application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then log into your account with email and password. So what you want to do first is under Transactions, which you can see right here. Click on See All. Here you can see all of your transactions. Then now we are currently looking at the past transactions, but you want to click on Upcoming. Then right here you can see your scheduled transfers, so click on the direct debit you want to cancel. I will cancel this one right here. So just go ahead and click on Delete. That's it. Thanks for watching.